Hey guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show.
We are going to take you through all the ride-alongs that are here at the McCormick Center. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
It's going to be fun.
See what it's got like. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Morning, guys. It's still morning.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good, good.
Hey, I'm Dr. W. Drive.
Okay.
All right, we are going to ride in a Cadillac Lyriq.
Yes, the hot ball.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Good to go?
Yep.
I have plenty of room.
Oh my gosh,
Back
it's
here.
gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Do that. We fit you all putting on those seat belts. Don't expect anything to happen, but better safe than sorry.
Sure.
So this does act as one full screen right now, so we can see how many miles we have left. So these lines show you how much of a full charge we have.
Oh, okay.
Then it'll regress as we lose battery here.
Great.
Well, once we turn it on, it does act as two screens now. So this will be our infotainment system side here, so we can do a lot of different things here, like control our radio, of course. We can hook up Android Audio or Apple CarPlay. Our GPS is there as well. Play Store, we can download different apps. And everything is like park assist, whether it's car park itself. We can do parallel parking all by itself there. We can also do things like change our drive mode. So right now I have it in my mode and I can customize that, but I have everything right now in sports mode. I like to drive a little bit fast.
Yeah.
So on your My mode, is that just your favorite one, or you can take different parts of?
Right, so yeah, on that my mode, I can switch it out. So if I want the motor sound to be more quiet,
Oh, okay.
I can make it a torque sound, but still keep my acceleration
The motor sound.
in sport. Yeah, exactly, right. So this will keep that motor sound and keep it more quiet and calm, where sports mode make that hum that we get a little bit louder.
Gotcha.
In addition to that, we have snow and ice, which will help out in Chicago weather, right?
Yeah.
And then sports and touring mode, which is a little bit more relaxed. We can also change things like the color in here. So you see right now, green is my favorite color, so normally have it on green there. But I can make that blue or purple.
Oh, nice. Cool.
And then as well as change the colors down there by your feet too, so I can make that.
So much space under here. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Then I also do things like control the glove compartment here. So I can go to controls and I can open up the glove box. Right now it should be locked, right? So I can't open it at the moment, but got certain stuff in there we don't want.
Right.
Another screen over here. So this will be all the gauges here. So this will show you how much tire pressure I have, speed I'm going. Also my radio station is right there. Energy mode, that's what it says, more energy focused. So it'll show us how many kilowatts we're using as we're driving, how much battery life we have, and then also our speed is there. And then we have maps, which will show us our full GPS, where we should turn at, things of that nature there.
Also, the map will be right in front of you.
Map will be right in front of you.
Google.
That's great. This is so easy to navigate, this screen. It's awesome. Some of them are so confusing.
Oh yeah, definitely user friendly.
Yeah.
They clean to give you a more just clean look, show you your speed. I can still see how much battery I have down there as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
I like how there's physical buttons for this stuff.
Oh yeah, so I can do that on my screen, or I can do it right straight from here. My volume control is right there. Turn the radio.
Oh, I love that.
Studio booth in here, almost like, so that's pretty cool.
Wow.
That we can also do things like our massage and seats on the side here. So I can
This is this a charger here?
Yep, so that's the wireless chargers you have.
Oh, that's so nice because it can just stay sitting in there.
Oh, yeah. And then you'll still be able to control everything from your phone on that screen.
You say massaging seats?
Massage seat on yours as well. So if you
Better press that button.
in the middle, I know, right? Take advantage right in here. There you go. So now it's on for you. You should feel it. We'll press one more time.
Yeah, I never feel it.
Oh, I hear it.
Oh, yep. There. Yep. Mhm.
I think that's pretty much it. How do you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
So we'll show you different safety features. So in reverse, you got 8 different cameras on here. Of course, you got that backup camera, automatic braking in the back. Also, I'll show you this. So with him right there, I can bypass him in that back seat and go straight and use my backup camera instead. So that helps out. Then I got my side views on here as well. So it'll show me each side of the car.
Wow.
And then if I was parked right now and I had somebody approach me from the left or the right, whether it's car or pedestrian, they'll say I have somebody approaching from either the right or the left. So you put it in drive, you got that front-facing camera on there as well. So let's make this drive too fast for it, I guess. Reverse. We'll go back to drive. And then this helps us out in those tight parallel parking situations as far as trying to get out.
Yes.
Good to go. So that Omni here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I like that sound.
So that replicates the sound of the sun. But in addition to that, of course, us, the pedestrians and everyone else know around us that we're either in drive or reverse.
Yes.
And they should probably get out of our way.
I love that sound.
Oh, yeah,
That's great.
So this car has all the room you would want out of SUV, but it handles more so like a stand, so I can just whip around this circle here with no problems.
Oh my gosh. Great handling.
Oh, the turning radius.
Woo!
That's good.
I shall aspire to own this.
Oh, boy. You get to launch it?
All right.
Woo! Were we getting squirrely back there? We were getting a little squirrely.
So I think we got up to about 32 just now. But with that being said, we get about 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds.
Awesome. Electric cars are so fun. I love ours. Like, just so smooth. This is a beautiful, beautiful work of art.
Goodness.
Yes, it is.
And we got speakers in the headrests too. That's awesome.
Oh, yeah. A lot of different toys. And
Yeah. Any questions, babe?
No, I mean, this is awesome.
All
This
right.
is good.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you for hanging out.
for a little bit.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your day at the show.
All right. You too. I got all the information on this one. I forgot about the
Seat
little
controls on the door.
It's like a little seat.
Cool is up there for yourself. And yeah, it's pretty sweet.
And that's the Cadillac Lyriq.
Gorgeous. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You want to get some shots of the inside of this one?